Welcome to this short overview about Avnet Silica's TSNEyes Industry 4.0 demonstration platform. This platform is used both as a demonstrator and as an evaluation platform for FPGA-accelerated embedded vision and TSN control. Instead of implementing one specific industrial use case like robotic control, we decided to realize quite an abstract application which can be adapted to a multitude of industrial use cases by using this tennis ball, which is tracked by these 4 pairs of eyes in the corners. The image cognition itself is realized on that board in the middle, which features a Xilinx String Ultrascale FPGA. And the image cognition algorithm is implemented using OpenCV, which can be accelerated by using this FPGA. We also have an option of adding a stereoscopic camera to get an additional depth information, which can, of course, use to optimize tracking of these eyes. The board is also used as a TSN sender, which is sending out the eye movement control packets via this dedicated TSN link here to the 4 boards in a corner. And we're using 802.1 QBV to do this. Time synchronization is done using PTP, and the background color of these eye pairs indicates the accuracy of the time synchronization. So right now we should have a solid green, which indicates a synchronization accuracy below 10 nanoseconds. So this platform can be extended using multiple TSN standards. So for example, we can have frame duplication and elimination, which results in redundancy. We can have frame preemption, and we can also extend it to use OPC-UA pub/sub and to go for a more recent time synchronization standard, like for example ASREF. In addition, the TSN link can be stressed by sending additional UDP best effort traffic on the TSN link just to reach corner cases. And we have all ways of modifying the TSN schedules, the outer control loop, which is implementing the image cognition, the inner control loop, which is implementing the eye movement and control. We can adjust packet sizes, we can adjust the loop cycles, and so on. So we use this internally as an evaluation platform to detect corner cases and to evaluate TSN in general, but we're also ready to give this out to customers. So if you're interested, reach out to the Avnet Silica software and services team, and we will give you access.